Ignorance is strength. War is peace. And freedom is slavery, ladies and gentlemen. Since our birth, our eyes have been witnessing the dialectical theaters of right versus wrong, just versus unjust, and freedom versus slavery. My Lord, I was born with liberty. Liberty to speak, liberty to breathe, and liberty to live. But whenever it comes to the reality of life, my by birth freedom was snatched away from me, and I was bounded in the chains of silence. My Lord, I was thrown into the darkest corridors of history, where the bitter taunts whispered, "Your freedom of expression is the worst mark on the mock face of humanity." My Lord, I celebrated my legal and by birthright of this verbal freedom on one standing against me. Those standing on the western side used this freedom of against my wholly worthy ideologies, and my identity for being a Muslim is being questioned by them. My legal and by birthright of this verbal freedom is misleading my generation and misguiding my future. And when it is celebrated on my democracy, it toppled over its base. Earth springs all anarchy and the name of freedom of expression, but still destructed, devastated, diminished, and destroyed. For the Lord, these darkest corridors are the fate. These whispers of bitter taunts are the reality, and you must accept that freedom of speech is a fallacy. Freedom of speech is a fallacy. The sea turns in the page, does not. And I am standing on the desperate valley of silence. We are breathing with the thought of freedom of speech is a curse. If I will raise my voice against the tyrants of time, I will be declared as the missing person of this honorable state. If I am a Kashmiri demanding my right, I will be taught the moral stories of Burhan, Muzaffar Bani, Yasin, Malik, and Sayyid Ali Gilani. And if I will turn toward the world for them to use their freedom of speech, I will see my peace firm still and my ambassadors of peace silent. For my Lord, if I am the student of your honorable institution, demanding my legal, moral, verbal, and by birthright of this verbal freedom to raise my voice against the illegal and immoral act of my excellencies, then I will be made shut by awarding failure at the end. My Lord, if I am standing on the stage of JKLC demanding my right to protest, I will be made shut in the name of forsaken inquiries for indisciplinary acts. For my Lord, which freedom of speech you are talking about, which liberty of voice is being mocked, where is the freedom of expression? Where is the liberty to speak? Where is the liberty to speak? For my Lord, I am the bird born in a cage who thinks flying is an illness. Because, my Lord, I am free to die, but enslaved to live and imprisoned to breathe. Because I am free to die, but imprisoned to live and enslaved to breathe. Thank you.